Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over second order homogeneous differential equations as fast as possible. Now, differential equation looks like this, with three constants, a, b and c, all timesing a derivative of y. So you've got a times the second derivative plus b times the first derivative plus c times y, and this is all equal to 0. Hence the word homogeneous, means the equation equals to 0. So moving down, you get the first equation. Second step is to convert the second derivative into a lambda squared, the first derivative into a lambda, and the y into a 1. After this, we've got to solve for lambda. Now, when you solve for lambda, you're going to get one of three cases. The first case is going to be when you get two real roots. Now, let's say these roots is lambda, and the other root is beta. In this case, y is equal to a times by e to the alpha x plus b, another constant, times by e to the beta x. Now, b and beta are not two things. Beta is one of the roots that you solve for, and b is going to be another constant coefficient which you're going to have to solve later. If you get a double root, you're going to do this equation where y is equal to a plus bx times by e to the alpha x. And lastly, if you get an imaginary root, you got this long equation. So you got y is equal to e to the power of alpha x. That alpha may be a little bit hard to see, sorry about that. And this is all times by a cos of beta x. Now this is the positive version of beta. Plus b times by sine of beta x. This is also the positive version of beta. We do not use the negative, we just want positive beta. Now, after you got one of these three equations, you're then going to have to solve for a or b, whether it's any one of them, doesn't matter. And to do this, when you're given your original equation, which is up here, your original equation, you're also going to get given some other additional information. And this additional information can look like this. So you're going to give y at point 0 is equal to 10, and maybe y at the first derivative of 0 is also equal to negative 5. These could be any numbers. It also doesn't have to be 0. It's just nice if your teacher gives you 0 because e to the 0 cancels out 1, as well as cos and sine cancel out to be negative 0 and 1 as well, which is really nice. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, leave a like. If you have a question, leave a comment. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. Now, in my next video, we're going to go over second order non-homogeneous differential equations as fast as possible. They are in this form. However, instead of 0, we have r of x, where r of x is a polynomial. See you then.